Hi everyone, I'm doing a decal day. So it's just a whole bunch of decals that I'm going to be putting up on the walls. And this time around it's going to be 3 sets of these decals that you see here. So it's like teal and gray, and I plan to put it in our bedroom window. Well, around the bedroom window, just to kind of make it feel like nature is coming in. So I'm going to do that right now. So there you've got the decals. But first, I'm going to open this up. Alright, so we've got the decal here. There's several pages. They've got numbers. That way I can just follow the instructions that's on here. So I shall do that right about now. Okay, so let me show you what I have. It's gonna be these walls behind me. So that wall is gonna have some decal going up here. So from the bottom going up, and then the other side of the window is gonna have some as well, but the other side is gonna have a lot more than the other. And this is one set of the decals that I've already laid out. So I'm going to start off with that one first, and then put it together, and then do the rest. Birds for later so that I can really spread them out. So I'm gonna do the other side of the wall first and put in the big parts over there, and then the smaller parts I'm going to just spread out so it has a lot more leeway for me to be able to do this, since I'm not following the design and I'm just kind of putting it up on the wall. And on the other side, there you go, behind me. Goes all the way up there, kind of just spreads out. And so around this side, right there. So just have it by the window.